Next, let's talk about AWS Cloudwatch. AWS Cloudwatch is a monitoring and logging service offered by AWS that provides real time and historical insight into the performance and health of your AWS resources, application, and services. It collects and processes the log files, metrics, and events to provide you with a unified view of your AWS environments and enable you to set the alarms and automate the actions based on the metrics and events. It can be used for operational monitoring, troubleshooting, and optimization of AWS resources and applications. There are different types of data that can be collected with CloudWatch. Metrics are data related to the performance and behavior of AWS resources such as CPU utilization, network traffic, and disk uses. Logs. Logs are events and messages generated by AWS resources and applications. Events. Events are data related to the changes and events that occur within your AWS resources and applications. CloudWatch record all this data for your applications and resources. CloudWatch brings lots of benefits for the users, and there are different use cases that supported by the CloudWatch, like performance monitoring. CloudWatch monitor the performance of your AWS resources and applications to identify and troubleshoot the issues. Resource optimization. You can identify the opportunities to optimize the resource utilization and reduce the cost. Security and compliance. You can easily detect and respond to the security events and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Application monitoring. You can monitor the health and availability of your applications running on the AWS infrastructure. Integration with other AWS services. CloudWatch can be integrated with a wide range of AWS services, including Amazon EC2, Amazon S3, AWS Lambda, and many other AWS services. You can use the AWS CloudWatch with any services that support the CloudWatch metrics and logs. Pricing. CloudWatch offers a free tier that includes basic monitoring and alarm functionality. Additional charges apply for more advanced monitoring features such as custom metrics and dashboards. AWS CloudWatch is a powerful monitoring service that enables you to collect, view, and analyze the metrics, logs, and events from the AWS resources and applications. CloudWatch is a powerful monitoring service that enables you to collect, view, and analyze the metrics, logs, and events from AWS resources and applications. By using CloudWatch, you can monitor the performance and behavior of your AWS resources and applications, troubleshoot the issues, optimize the resource utilizations, detect and respond to the security events, and ensure the compliance with regulatory requirements. We will demonstrate how to use the CloudWatch for monitoring the applications and resources in your AWS account.